Now the name says they're breakfast potatoes, but these are an everyday, all day potato in my world because they are so good and they're so easy to make. Let me show you how we're gonna make these. I'm starting off with 2 pounds of these cute little baby red potatoes. You don't need to peel them. You're gonna just simply slice them into bite-sized pieces. Now this is a buttery, waxy variety potato, which I love because that center is gonna be ooh so smooth, and that exterior from the blend we're putting on it is gonna be crisp and delicious. After you've got about 1.5 pounds of those potatoes cut up, we're gonna season them up. We're gonna drizzle 1/4 cup of cooking oil over that. You can use vegetable oil, you can use olive oil. I prefer just a vegetable oil. And then potatoes are like me, they like salt. So I'm gonna give it 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and then 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, which is such a beautiful color on these potatoes. Give them a stir and ensure that they are coated with all of that yummy goodness. And like I said, these are so easy. I'm almost done with this. The hardest part about it is waiting for them to cook. These are coated perfectly. And then here's a little chef tip. I love to foil my baking sheets with foil for easier cleanup. It works like charm. And all we're gonna do is pour those potatoes onto that sheet. Any of that remaining oil and seasoning in the bowl, be sure to scrape it out because that is flavor and we want all the flavor. Make sure they're spread out into a single layer. We don't want any laying on top of the other because we all want even cooking here. And just like that, we've prepped them and now they're gonna head over to the oven that's preheated to 400 degrees where they're gonna bake for about 30 minutes. About 15 minutes in, we're gonna give them a stir and let them keep baking until they're perfectly crisp yet tender in the inside. They're cooked to perfection where I've got that crispy exterior, but it's so tender inside. These came together so fast and they're so simple. My whole family raves over these potatoes and for obvious reasons. So try out these potatoes, tell us how you like them because we love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to head over to our website where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes that you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.